Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have the Boult Audio Airbass Musebuds TWS headphones. They seem to be extra bass earphones. There's not much information on the side except for the brand ambassadors. On the back, it claims to have 18-hour playtime with 3 days standby, Google voice command support, noise cancellation, although it does not say whether it's active or passive, call and music controls, Bluetooth 5.0 auto pair, master earbuds on both ends, and stereo calling and microphone. So let's open this up and see what we've got. Inside you have the paperwork, the ProBass Musebuds user manual, which tells you how to activate your earbuds. You also have a warranty card with instructions for complaints, returns, or queries. We have one pair of earbuds. Oh, sorry, we have two pairs of earbuds, a micro USB cable for charging, that's about it. Let's take a look at the headphones themselves. These are TWS wireless earbuds. Taking the headphones out, you can see the charging connectors. The left and right indicators are sort of hidden away here, but they're also available here on the charging case itself. So when you take them out, you can probably figure out which one's which. There's a micro USB charging port here. Alongside the micro USB port, there is a small LED light during your charging. They're the kind that hook onto your ear when you wear them. It has a stiff hook as opposed to the rubbery ones you tend to see in headphones. You see the Boult Audio branding right across the front. And that's about it. These are the Boult Audio Airbass Musebuds. Thank you for watching.